Hi everyone, my name is Kaushal from Kaushal Beauty. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this city break makeup tutorial. It's something very easy to do. It's kind of like my signature look. So if you guys would like to see how to get this, then please keep watching. So my skin is all prepped with moisturizer, and now I'm going to move straight on to primer. For the primer, I'm going to use Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer in the shade Radiance. And then start blending this all over my face. For day to day, I love wearing things like tinted moisturizers. So for tinted moisturizer, I'm going to use the NARS Pure Radiant Tinted Moisturizer, and this is in the shade Saint Moritz. I'm going to basically pop this on to the areas that I want to apply it. And this melts into the skin so nicely. It doesn't feel like you've got a heavy foundation or anything like that on. It's very, very light, and it gives you a good, nice amount of moisture as well. Moving straight onto concealer, I'm going to take the Bare Minerals Stroke of Light Eye Brightener. This is in the shade Luminous 2, and I'm going to get this onto the usual areas that I like to brighten and highlight my face. A little bit on my forehead and chin as well. And then taking my beauty sponge, we're just going to blend away. And this is a really lightweight concealer. It's nothing heavy, and it's really nice, and it reflects a lot of light, so it's really brightening underneath the eyes. I'm now going to set those areas using a really light powder, and the one I'm going to use is this Bobbi Brown one here. This is the Nude Finish Illuminating Powder, and this is in the shade Nude. It doesn't need to be a lot of powder that you put onto your face. It just needs to be enough so that nothing creases and all those cream products are set. I'm going to take the rest of whatever's left on my brush and just going to press that all around my face. So moving straight onto bronzer, I'm taking the Urban Decay Beach Bronzer. This is probably one of my favorite bronzers of all time. It's a really nice mix of a warm and cool toned shade, and I'm going to get this onto the usual areas that I like to bronze, and that is just underneath my cheekbone like so, and then also my hairline. And this is just going to make us look nice and sun-kissed, really healthy, but we are going to add some highlight on as well, so we'll be making sure that we're nice and glowy looking as well. So now we're going to move on and add some flush to the cheeks by adding some blush. This is the MAC Mineralized Blush in the shade Sweet Enough. It's a really beautiful kind of pinky tone, and a little goes a long way with this. You don't really need that much, but it just adds a really, really nice kind of hint of pink on the cheeks. Time to add some glow to the cheeks, and I'm going to use this bad boy right here. This is the Givenchy Bouncy Highlighter, and it's in the shade African Light Gold, and it is stunning. Because it's a slightly wet formula, I'm going to take my makeup sponge and bounce it into the product, and then start putting that onto the high points of my cheeks. Such a stunning highlight. It's got like flecks of gold in there, and it really sparkles. To set my brows, we are going to use one of my favorite brow products ever, and that is the Gimme Brow, which is from Benefit. So this is actually in the shade number 3, and I'm just going to get this onto my brows. And because it is a slightly darker shade, it's going to kind of fill them in and set the brow hairs at the same time. For my eyes, I'm just going to put some mascara on my lower lashes. The one that I'm going to use is from By Terry. This one in particular is the Lash Expert Twist Brush Double Effect Mascara. It's really cool because if you turn the lid, it basically twists the mascara. But we're going to keep it straight on, and I'm going to pop this on my lower lashes. The easy daytime makeup look is almost done. We've just got lips left to do, and I'm going to use my favorite combination and my favorite shade of lipstick. But first, I am going to take a lip liner. This is the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Lip Pencil in the shade Liar. It's a really nice kind of browny nude shade, and I'm going to line my lips and also fill them in. For lipstick, I'm going to be using my favorite lipstick of the moment, and has been a favorite for a very, very long time now. It is this one here by YSL. This is the Tatouage Couture Matte Stain in the shade number 7. It's such a beautiful like nudie pink. It looks amazing by itself because it's that My Lips But Better shade, but it also looks really good with a darker lip line. So this is the end of the city break makeup look. This is literally something that I would wear on a day-to-day when I'm on holiday, and I just love it. I hope you guys enjoyed it too. I hope you have an amazing time on your holiday, and hopefully I'll see you guys soon. Bye!